My Forever Smile journey started like this. I'm from Danville, San Francisco Bay Area, and I've kind of discovered this office from my older brother, and he was so happy about it. All his life he has a problem, and I've observed the before and after and see how happy he is. So I say, that's it, this is the place. I would take the investment to go all the way from the Bay Area to come here. Here, I had the whole X-ray and examination here yesterday, and it took like probably an hour and a half, plus another 30 minutes of Q&A with the dentist. I'm so impressed because it's a full two-way communication between the doctor and me. It's not just like, okay, you have this, you got this, and this is what we have to be done, right? It's a full conversation, and she explained to me the pro and con, why I should have implant versus root canal, and I had some reservation about the root canal, and she went through the whole, explanation of both. So I really appreciate that, because it's not about doing the work on myself, but it's about the education for me to learn how to take care of my teeth. Yeah, I did not know the extent of the damage on my tooth. Only through the full examination like that, yeah, that I could say, oh my God. And that comes from the full examination. It takes about an hour and a half, I think, of all the videos and all the pictures and the X-ray. They are very, the whole team from the receptionist, which are several of them, right? 2 or 3, and then the X-ray technicians, and then the dentist are very professional, and they're not like full jacket office kind of behaviors, but it's all about supporting, helping. We here, and we can take care. You are in good hands. That's the attitude. Oh yes, it's the worry that I have for the last 2 or 3 years, that things are getting worse. And I did not want to go back to my dentist. I'm looking for a new one, looking for the right one. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to not put that worry away. What we're going to be talking today with the doctor is the education of how I would take care of my teeth every day. It's just the daily thing, it's the weekly things. And it looks like I did not know how yet. We had a short conversation last night, that he called me. Yeah, and he talked about how to balance the pH in my system. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah. I get to pick the color of the tooth. Yeah, different shades, and he helps me picking, because usually you want the whitest one, right? And it looks fake. So you want to go you want to tone down like 2 or 3 shades. No, it's okay. Right now I can eat almost anything, so there's no difference. I wouldn't have to wait and say, okay, I'm looking forward for the final one. There's no pain, there's nothing. You just be in an environment where everything is well taken care of. All the fear, all the imagination about, oh, it's gonna hurt, about, no, nothing. It's just so wonderful. Because he said, go eat. No, nothing, just go eat afterward, which is, I was total shock, right? You can't eat with all things, no, you can go eat, no problem. Yeah, when I was with other dentists prior to this, it's just pain. And I looked at it as hey, that's part of the process. But here, there's no pain. You guys working together, you laughing, you enjoying, and so is me. Yeah, he's laughing with the people, So it just lightened everything up, and I say, wow, this is a nice environment. This it feel like this is your second home, and that's something that just very hard to find. Yeah, especially with my other dentists, when they are stressed, they just they're moody, they're not nice with the people working with them, or they just walk away. You know, they don't say anything, but you can feel that, oh, it's tense, you know. But here it's like hope. I was hoping, not hoping, expecting pain. The pain never got. I didn't have to be aware of my teeth any longer, you know. Now I can just be free. Yeah.